Bold Prime. How to generate an IB link for Indonesian clients. Go to boldprimeidn.com and log into your account. On the Bold Prime login page, fill in the login details with your register email and password. Once finished, click the login button to continue. After you log into our site, check the left side of your screen, scroll down to the IB menu, find the Marketing Tools section, and then click the Links tab. Enter your preferred name for the link in the Name section. Then click Select in the Landing Page tab, where you will see two choices: Bold Prime for global use and Bold Prime Indonesia exclusively for Indonesian clients. Select Bold Prime Indonesia to generate the IB link, and once everything is finished, click Continue. The link will be automatically generated. After that, you can share the link with your clients. Start sharing your link today.